Bundling products for Amazon FBA can enhance the value offered to customers and differentiate your listings from competitors. Here's a concise guide on how to create successful product bundles. Choose complementary products. Select items that naturally go together and enhance each other's value. For example, a yoga mat, resistance bands, and a yoga block. Check Amazon policies. Ensure your bundle complies with Amazon's bundling policies. Bundles must include a primary product, be sold as a single ASIN, and be different from multipacks or variations. Source and purchase products. Obtain the items for your bundle from reliable suppliers. Ensure consistent quality across all bundled items. Create a new product listing. Log into Seller Central, go to the Inventory tab and select Add a product. Choose Create a new product listing. Enter detailed information about your bundle, including a clear and keyword-rich title, detailed description, bullet points, and high-quality images showing all items in the bundle. Generate a unique FNSKU. Amazon requires a unique FNSKU barcode for each bundle. This helps in tracking and inventory management. Package the bundle. Package the items together securely. Use a single package for the bundle and ensure it meets Amazon's packaging guidelines. Apply the FNSKU label on the outside of the bundle package. Send to Amazon FBA. Create a shipment plan in Seller Central. Prepare the items for shipment and send the bundle package to Amazon's fulfillment center.